Making money online using Chat GPT. In today's video, a powerful language model that we're going to be talking about is going to help you make money online. Whether that be looking for a side hustle or a full-time job, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to make money using this technology called Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on vast amounts of data and is capable of generating human-like responses to text-based inputs. This means you can create chatbots, automate customer service, or even write entire articles without ever having to lift a finger. Using ChatGPT to create content. One of the most popular ways to make money using ChatGPT is by creating content. If you're a blogger, for example, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for new blog posts or even write entire articles for you. You can also use ChatGPT to create social media posts, email newsletters, or even YouTube video scripts. Another way to make money using ChatGPT is by creating chatbots. Many businesses are looking for ways to automate their customer service, and a chatbot can be a great way to do so. You can use ChatGPT to train your chatbot to respond to customer inquiries, provide support, and even make sales. Next, using ChatGPT to train models. Many businesses and organizations are looking for ways to improve their natural language processing capabilities, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. By using ChatGPT to train other models, you can help these businesses improve their products, services, while also earning a significant income. So in conclusion, there's 3 ways right there you can use ChatGPT to make money online. Whether you're creating content, building chatbots, or training other models, there are plenty of opportunities out there to leverage this technology to your advantage.